Let's talk about electrician pay in Sweden. On average, an electrician in Sweden earns around 60,300 US dollars a year as an average annual gross salary. After tax, that drops to $43,800, which leaves you with a take-home pay of roughly $3,650 a month. While average electrician pay across the country is solid, working in a big city brings home noticeably more. So an electrician income in Stockholm reaches $49,200 after tax. However, living outside Stockholm costs less, which is why a lower electrician salary in Sweden can still give you a comfortable life. Starting electrician wages sit well below these figures, but pay goes up quickly as you gain experience before it eventually plateaus. Having a university degree is not required for basic work, though higher education helps you move into better positions, like site supervisor or project manager. On top of that, learning advanced skills helps you earn even more, because specialized work always pays a higher rate. If you wonder how much does an electrician make in Sweden, these factors explain the main differences.